Hi, I'm Bear.
And I'm Don.
And we are adventurers in Xanadu, and we are set up in Chain O Lakes State Park,
Indiana.
Yes, beautiful Indiana. Here's our camp set up. So far, we've had rain for 2 days, so we're finally getting some stuff out and getting set up. But nice park, but a lot of people, they're coming in today. It's a Friday. But you know, seriously, they're talking about campground shortages and camp spot shortages. But as I walk around here, this is just our little section. And wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. All the way through there you can see open spots. So still looks like lots of availability. Don't know how level or long they are, but anyway.
They're here.
What is it? Why does Chain O Lakes remind me of something? What is the name of that butter? Lando?
Butter Lando
Is
Lakes.
it Lando Lakes?
Lando
Lakes? Smooth like Lando Lakes. Butter. Chain O Lakes State Park. Hey, we're doing all right so far.
Yeah. I think we should maybe head over to that, check out that store.
All right.
Maybe get some firewood.
Okay. Dogs are inside, Mango and Rosie.
Yeah.
Doing good. Beautiful temperature here today. It's about 60, 62, finally with some sunshine.
Right, that's good. Beautiful.
Yep. It's kind of nice right here next to us. There's no spots. We like that. That's a wood shack. That's a little pit toilet there. So we got that pretty close. There's some good water all over the park. It's electric, of course, state park. And with nice dump stations. Dawn's taking a picture of some wildlife as we film a video, oddly enough.
Hey.
Stay on track.
They were violets.
Squirrel.
Wow.
Why didn't we go over there with the video camera and video them?
Because you were busy.
You're silly. All right, here we go.
I don't want to be normal.
Is this considered a hike or a walk when you're RVing?
Huh.
Is this a hike?
I think it's
I'm
a
breathing
walk.
like it's a hike.
I think it's a walk.
I think for some people it could be a hike. Like for me it's a hike,
It could be a hike.
but for you it's a walk.
Yes.
But for me it's a hike.
Could be.
Right. I mean, I feel like I should have packed a lunch.
A water bottle.
I'm so out of shape.
Oh, we're gonna.
Yes.
Generals.
Well, here we are. See, we like to park right next to the store.
It's convenient.
Yeah, it is.
Of course, we've never been in it.
Here we are. Here's the general store. There's your sign. Yeah. Groceries, ice cream, firewood, live bait, souvenirs, ice, coffee and donuts. Hey. Hey. Indiana, I'm starting to warm up to you. Fresh popcorn and they're open. Fine, you can sit out here and have your ice cream. Look at this, folks. This is nice.
Beautiful.
Cute little state park. Chain O Lakes. Albion, Indiana. Albion. Or Albion.
Oh, this is a little, you can get.
Yeah. A little, back in my pheasant hunting days, put and take. I used to have hunting grounds called put and takes.
Tails of the Great Lakes.
I always think of these. Borrow a book and bring one back.
Yep.
Great Lakes, that's a good one.
I know, I might look at that one.
And that one right there, I like that. Bury my heart at Wounded Knee. Ooh, that sounds interesting.
Interesting.
All right, but I'm here to drink beer and have fires.
You don't want to get it.
I'm kidding. We don't have fires.
Firewood.
Yeah, that's their wood shack. Well, one of them.
Yeah, they have 7.
Yeah, if the store's not open, they sell the wood from the guard shack. But nice setup here. Got some ice. Hey, look at that air.
Is that what the machine?
Free air. Come on.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
A lot more could go last for it.
Yeah, nice firewood. $5.50. Boy, that's neat. All right, did I spin you around too fast?
Propane there too.
And if they're closed at night, you can come right here to the soda machine. Please take my $1. All right. They're probably $2 in today's world. Lots of guides here. Do you have all these?
It says we should,
How long are we going to stay in Indiana?
I don't know.
So far, we can't leave.
Till we decide to leave.
We went way south, now we're way north. It's weird.
Okay. So
All right.
we have to wear these?
You do? Well, give me one. Here, hold this. Let me put mine on.
Alright.
That's a mess. That's why I say you got to bring them with you, folks. We're in that weird time where some places are masked, some places aren't. You know, deal with it. Get over it. All right. Nice. There we go. Hey, wait a minute.
What?
We can't go to Chain O Lakes and not show the lake.
That'd be silly.
At least one of them, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah, there's a chain.
There's a chain. It's a whole chain of lakes.
Right, it is.
Here in Indiana. Right. So here we are, we're on a lake.
We are.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
Lily pads.
Straight across is the beach. And then right behind that is the campground that we're in. They actually have trails going to the beach. You can rent boats and kayaks over there. Right behind Dawn.
Bicycles and stuff.
Bicycles.
Here's a kayaks coming right now.
Big area in here.
It's a canoe.
Yeah, there you go. They're coming through the waterway. That's one of the chains that link the lakes. That's one of the things that makes it a chain of lakes is you can kayak and canoe in between each of these lakes here. Wow, that looks fun. They rent the kayaks, I heard, for $5, Dawn.
That's cheap.
Why aren't you in one?
That's cheap. Because I don't kayak.
You don't?
I want to learn how to, though.
But yeah, we don't know the name of this lake.
When the water's warm.
Yes.
Because I know I'm going to end up in
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, you probably would. I would too.
Yes.
I'm more of a like a cruiser boat kind of guy. like something like the size of like a Disney ship.
Oh, like that. Okay.
But yeah, this is beautiful. What a beautiful day we're having. So yeah, we just thought we'd break in. You can't go to Chain of Lakes and not at least show one lake.
Wouldn't be right.
So that just wouldn't be right. So now you've seen it. Wow. Good fishing here too, I bet. Yeah. Be careful, Dawn.
Yeah.
You know? I better keep it running. This could be, I might need this for insurance purposes.
There's a bobber in there.
Yeah, as people fish here. Bobbers get stuck, things happen. All right, let's not jump up and down. Okay, careful. I'm going to get Dawn now. She's unsafe. Okay. Back to the gift shop.
Kitchen help on this.
Neat little general store. Look at that fun game with the dogs. That's cute. Wow, this is neat. Hey, there's some fancy spatulas. Wow. All kinds of cool stuff. Nice. Candy for the kids. Hey, cool. That wouldn't fit me, Dawn.
It fit me though.
Would it?
Yep.
In your wildest dreams. Up.
What do they have here? Toys?
Yeah, looks like it.
Yeah.
Neat.
There you go.
Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Yeah, how much are those?
$18.50.
Yeah, they got ceramic heaters too. That ain't bad, $30. I mean, you'd pay a lot cheaper at Walmart, but man, if you needed one or a fan or you didn't have a heater, isn't that nice? You could pick that up right there. Wow.
Cast iron.
They even got some cast iron down there. Wow. This is neat. Oh, this is a nice general store. Wow. All the fishing gear. Of course, we're at the Chain of Lakes.
Yeah, boy.
There's a whole bunch of lakes here. They're all in a chain.
Is that why they call it Chain of Lakes?
Yeah, neat. Wow, tools. You got some tools. Hey, they got a 5-foot supply hose for your propane. Yeah. Nice.
Wow.
Hitch pins. Wow, walkie-talkies. Fishing gear. Live bait. Nice. There's your sundries.
Look at here's these.
Plastic wraps. Pancake mixes. Spices. Cake. Who doesn't want some cake? I better get a couple of these. Dawn will want these. Uh-oh. Here's the s'mores rack, Dawn. Your honey graham. It's all there. Yeah, this is neat. Very nice. Here's the chain of legs. Boy, those are nice. Hi, how are you? Beautiful little general store. Really nice. Oh, your cookies, breads, buns. Wow. Yeah, do they have magnets? That'd be cool. Yeah, they do have dog stuff. Nice. Very nice.
Magnets? Yeah, right on the freezers.
Oh, cool. We walked right by them.
Yeah,
There's some magnets. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, nice. All in the wood there. Okay. That is cool. There's one with the little, these got the actual chain of lakes.
Yeah, I think that's the one.
See, that's the actual, what are you, ooh. Could you all see that? Oh, there's one. What's that one? Oh, buffalo? Was there buffalo here?
Buffalo.
I didn't know about the buffalo in Indiana.
Yeah.
It's possible though.
Could happen. Which one of these things?
I don't know. We got to pick one. All right, we'll pick one. We'll let you know when we get back. But,
These are kind of cool too.
yeah, we might get one of those because we have a good spot for magnets. All right, well, we're going to turn this off in here and buy stuff we don't want you to see us buying because we try to hide stuff, all right?
Yeah, that's what
All right. We'll check back in with you in a minute. Okay? All right, Dawn, so we got back from that wonderful general store. That was nice, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. They had a little bit of everything.
Yeah,
It was awesome.
they really did.
Yeah.
Nice parts and goodies and snacks and ice cream.
Yep.
And donuts.
And donuts.
Why didn't we get any donuts? Why are you depriving me of my donuts, man? You know, a man needs his donuts.
Hey, you got a candy bar.
I did get a candy bar. Hey, we got our magnet.
We did.
Which one did we pick out? Go ahead, bump it up. Hey, it's the actual map of the Chain O Lakes.
Yes.
That's where we're at, Chain O Lake State Park in Albion, Indiana. And you know what we found out? We got a cool spot in the Flagstaff to put magnets right over the kitchen area there. That whole valance there. Is that a valance?
I'd call it that.
Or is it a valance?
Valance.
Maybe it's neither one. But anyway, it's magnetified.
Yeah.
That means it's metal.
Yes.
It'll stick to a magnet. Or the magnet will stick to
to
it, right? Hey. Well, we're sticking with each other.
Oh, yes, we are.
Yes, we are. And that's Rosie over there. Hey, Rosie. Rosie. There's Mango. What are you making a bed, Mango?
Yeah.
Oh, you go to bed. You go to bed. And anyway, we're going to do something else, but we're having fun in Chain O Lakes. Did I call it Land O Lakes?
I hope not.
Chain O Lakes State Park.
Chain O Lakes.
Yes, Albion, Indiana.
And finally, we got a little sun today,
Yeah.
so awesome.
And our first magnet.
Yes.
Woo!
Yay!
Hey. All right, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're going to get out of here. We're
Okay.
Adventures in Xanadu.
Toodaloo.